Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Niro EX EV. So this is the full electric Niro. Yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. 41,580, the cold weather pack, carpeted floor mats and the wheel locks. Only options on this one, finished in gravity blue over charcoal. Good amount of rear seat space. Biggest indicator, this is the EV, your blue accents around, and then this front grille, of course, going to the charge port. I'll go ahead, I'll pop the hood, see what we can see, and what it looks like under there. It actually doesn't look half bad. I expected something a lot, just a box. Well, they made it look like an engine, which is pretty cool. Nice. 64 kilowatt hour battery, 150 kilowatt electric motor, 7.2 kilowatt charger. It's actually decently quick for what it is. Obviously it's not going to blow the socks off of a Model S Plaid. But it is definitely impressive, to say the least. The paddles behind the steering wheel, that's for your regenerative braking. You can increase, shut it off so it'll coast to a stop, and increase it to, well, there's technically 4 levels. Off, 1, 2, and 3. Off, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. That's impressive. you'll hear it makes all kinds of weird noises. Well, not weird, cool, I should say. It's so cool. I love all the little noises it makes. Alright, so I just figured out. It only makes the noises under 25 miles an hour because it figures above 25, you're fine. The noises are there to alert pedestrians. A lot of people don't want to embrace the electric future. A lot of car guys, I should say. I don't know, if you can make a Niro this fun by making it fully electric, I'm okay with it. Do I think a GT3 RS should be electric? No. But the Taycan's fun. All the electric cars I've driven are a lot of fun, a lot of power, and they're just overall really fun to drive cars. I'm impressed with them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next